Hey there! If your Shortcuts app on your iPhone keeps crashing, it can be super annoying, especially when you're counting on it to automate your tasks. This problem can pop up for a bunch of reasons like low storage space, software glitches, or a corrupted app file. But don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you fix this. Solution 1. Free up storage space. First, let's check your available storage. To do that, open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit. Then tap on General. Next, select iPhone storage. Take a look at how much space is available. If your storage is almost full, it might be causing the Shortcuts app to crash. To create more space, go ahead and delete any unnecessary apps, old photos, or large files. After you've cleared some space, reopen the Shortcuts app to see if it's working better now. Solution 2. Restart the Shortcuts app. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Find the Shortcuts app, then swipe it up to force it to close. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app to check if the crashing issue is still there. If it is, try restarting your iPhone for a fresh start. Solution 3. Offload the Shortcuts app to clear corrupted data. Go ahead and open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap General. Now tap on iPhone Storage and find the Shortcuts app in the list. Tap on Offload App. This will clear the app's cache and data without deleting the app itself. After that, tap Reinstall App to get a fresh version of the app back. Solution 4. Update iOS. Head to Settings and tap on General. Tap Software Update to see if there's a newer iOS version available. Download and install any updates that are available. Once you've updated, open the Shortcuts app again to check if the crashing issue is resolved. Older iOS versions can sometimes have bugs that lead to crashes. Solution 5. Disable low power mode. Open the Settings app, scroll down, then tap on Battery. If you see that low power mode is enabled, go ahead and turn it off. Low power mode can limit certain background processes, which might be why the Shortcuts app is crashing. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the crashing issue with the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Just remember to clear up some storage space, keep your iOS updated, and manage any conflicting automations that might be messing with the app's performance. If you're still having trouble after all that, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help.